Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to this week's weekly beer tasting. We got a great one for you today. Our friends, Black Lab Brewing. So we absolutely love Black Lab. We love everyone who works there. The owners, the brewers, staff are absolutely fantastic. Super amazing vibe. It's actually quite well known for its puppy-friendly vibe. They actually have craft beer for dogs. It's not actually beer, don't worry. We actually showcase Black Lab on our East End tour of the city. So we actually, if you're on the tour of the East End, you get to visit Black Lab Brewing. So today we have a great beer from Black Lab. This is the Vienna Lager. If you're a little bit keen on craft brewing in North America in general, you'll probably be aware that the ale dominates the scene. Craft beer, we have two types of beers: ales, lagers, lagers, ales, ales, lagers. And lagers are more synonymous with your macro brewery. Your smaller craft breweries, it's way more typical for them to create ales. So think of your Indian Pale Ale, that's a typical beer you'll find at almost every craft brewery nowadays. But it's really cool now, we're really starting to see craft lagering happening as well. The Vienna Lager is beautiful. It's a much kind of darker coppery color, different malt used all together. And the taste is different as well. So I'll take one here. Yeah, it's lovely. You get a little bit extra sweetness with the darker malt. It really ends with some nice sweet tones to it. It's a beautiful beer. There's a lot of really interesting notes and flavors and tastes that go along with lagers. I know sometimes folks think they're a little bit less sophisticated, a little less dynamic compared to some of those fruity ales that really get complex, but there's a lot going on in lagers. Definitely recommend, gotta check out Black Lab. Bring your puppy, bring your bulldog if you got one. They're more than welcome inside. All right, folks, remember, craft beer is here.